This is number 8. You're going to describe the type of trapezoid it is and finding all the remaining angle measurements here. All right, the two main ones are it's either non-isosceles or an isosceles trapezoid. So those are the ideas there, okay? We got to remember those properties. All right, so the fact that these are it is considered to be an isosceles trapezoid. We can label that right here. Isosceles trapezoid. We know from the properties that the right here that all these properties are true. The opposite angles are supplementary. Base angles are congruent. So here this is 44. So this is also going to be 44 degrees. Okay. Then you can get the other ones there because we know that the opposite angles are supplementary. So we can do 180 minus 44. That gets us 136. This is 136. This is 136. You should add them all up. 136 plus 136 plus 44 plus 44. That should get you 360. That still holds true. Right. Next, notice that these are your parallel lines. And there's only one of them. Okay. And so this makes this a non-isosceles triangle. Okay. So here we want to see what we can do here. Notice that the consecutive angles are supplementary. That means this angle and this angle are supplementary. So 180 minus 78 gets you 102. Okay. Then you can do the other side. 180 minus 132 gets you 48. All right. So if you add all of the angles together, it should get you 360. All right. It is only the consecutive angles are supplementary here. Okay. That's why I have the marks here. Okay. And next one, notice the two bars. That makes this a isosceles. And the fact that this is isosceles, we know that the base angles are the same, 82, and then the diagonals are congruent. So we subtract 180. We subtract 82 from 180. So this is 98 and this is 98. So there you go. You just need to remember your properties of your isosceles trapezoids.